no. Come on, off for engine lock in. There we go. Is my RAM bad or something? What's going on? Ooh, my memory's bad. Alright. I'm at 90% memory. That's not good. I think I need to restart my computer probably if it starts to crash. It's really high. Memory leaks. Alright, whatever. My mic closer too. And check ping. Okay. Let me add this thing now. I forgot what I called it. It's a quest, yeah, quest progress. I've tried to as well. Many times. I've taught a couple people, but you know, a lot of them just are not able to, I think. So for that, that's fine. I don't want to do the client stuff today. Well, maybe I will. I want to get the server stuff done first, though. So let's make an example. I think I have to do this in the badge code. What the fuck? Why would you do that? Badges. Okay. And then this is the first thing I want to test. So in this script, I gotta add the 2. It already has replicated storage. I wonder why. So right here. Yeah, I'm trying to think how I want to do this. I think I'll number it. Well, I don't know. I have a list of things, so let me see. Well, first of all, I know. Yeah, I mean, I guess so. I don't really remember doing that, but I guess I started on Roblox, which doesn't really have. Well, I guess it does. No, Roblox does have more than one script, but the way that like other programs work, I don't know. It feels different. So quest, I'll do that. Obviously, the name is the most important thing first. So I'm gonna call it like a JavaScript. I never did JavaScript. I did Java though in my college classes. Last 2 semesters were Java. So what would I call this? It's the whole quest system. I want to add quests, kind of like how Beastform does it. But I'm trying to think of what I want to call the variable names. The first variable is like, it's the type of progress of the quest. Like, I have an example list. Where is it? I opened Discord. Yeah, role difficulties, role level. I think that's what I should call it then. Like, rolled. I'm trying to think what would be easiest thing to read. I'll probably just do this. Nah, I don't. It's a solo project, and yeah, my code is very specific on how I organize it. So first, that is the name of like things can be updated. Second, it could either be the amount or it could be the type, because obviously there's more than one type of difficulty. I think I'll do a number system, but if I do that, I have to like get the number from, yeah. I think the number system's easier. Let's do numbers then. 8 a.m. right now. So this, it's the type of quest. It's no task. This is the task type. This is the, what is that? What do I call that? I guess I'll figure it out when I open this, but it's like the variant basically. The variant type, whatever. 12 a.m. bro, that's so late. And the last is how much. In most cases, it'll probably be 1, but for this, because you only roll 1 against 1, some things will be more than 1. Like, it might say, like, get 5,000 orbs. Like, that would be more than 1, obviously, because things can give you more than 1 orb. So, we'll do that then. I think this is the most basic way to do this, the most optimized way. I don't want to make any, like, shitty code for this. I want it to be perfect. I think this is the most standard, easy way, because this has to be in many, many scripts. Like, a lot of scripts need this. So I think this is probably safe enough. I can't think of any of the value I would need to, like, send. Just the amount, the variant, and then the type. Well, you can just do plus equals. You know that, right? Same thing. It's just less text. Actually, I did it right here as well. The plus equals. Yeah, so instead of writing like this is equal to this plus 1, just do plus equals. And then it's the same thing. It's just less. Yeah, it's a little thing. There's some program languages that don't have that. They make you write the whole thing out. It's nice though. Same thing for like minus equal, divide equal, whatever else. I use it all the time. Although some of my code is so old in this game, there's probably parts where it doesn't do that. I'm all over the place. Yeah, let's do this now. I don't remember what this is. I think this is just a test thing. I can delete this later. But here's my actual thing. Oh. Never used C#. I'm gonna learn it though. Probably this year for Unity. Because I want to get into Unity, I think. But I don't know how soon. We will see. Quest progress. On. No. Oh, it's, yeah, never mind. I was thinking it was a remote event. It's not. Okay, now the 3 values. So I'll call them. So there's roll difficulty. Bruh. Hell nah, bro. No free models in this game. I think the only like module I used is like the wind module because I don't know how to do that. So I just got a wind module. The rest is handcrafted torture. Yeah, so oops, I just want placeholder real quick so I can think. I think just saying amount and then variant and then probably type. But I want to call it type. That's just hard to remember. So maybe like task type and then task amount. And I don't know about task variant though. Now, honestly, it's a task variant. It's longer, but I think it's a lot easier to read, which is good. And then here, all you gotta do is have all your what's it called? All your if statements. I try to think there's a simpler way to do it. There probably is with the module script. Although, I don't know. Like, how many quests am I really gonna have? Like, not quests, but like, you know, actions for quests. Tasks, I mean. Was it Moon Animator? Or no? Because, I mean, Moon Animator was like $30. I literally bought it because I needed it, bro. Actually, the only thing I like with the toolbox, I like using audios. Obviously, it's hard to get good songs and stuff, so it's always good. Some decals are nice as well. And for like textures, I use those sometimes. I refuse to use a model tab though. I think it's too like low effort, you know. In my opinion, at least, I just wouldn't do it. So yeah, I don't know. I'll have like one big if statement. I just don't know if that's really safe. Not safe. I don't know if that's the best way to do it. I'll do it for now. We'll see. I can always change it later. And then you just copy this. Roll difficulty. And then, so this statement, every statement inside of this one, I'll have the same thing where it's like if task variant equals 0, then, and it'll just go down to 0 to whatever number. On my first language I learned was Roblox. That was, I started like testing, not testing, I started fucking around in Studio probably like 2016, kind of when I got Roblox. I didn't learn to code, like, well, I mean, it's hard to say when I learned, because I've been like practicing, kinda, probably since like 2022, maybe 2021. I've done stuff before that, but like nothing is good. I think I actually started to understand it then. And I've definitely gotten like a lot better since 2025. I think I'm in my prime right now. I know like a lot of things about Roblox. Obviously the core functions, but a lot of like lesser known things. Oh, what I just closed? Fuck. I closed my script. Yo, I did not mean to do that. So, for variant, I have to make sure I go back and do this, because this is not going to stay like this. In case I forget. I don't know. I think I haven't learned a lot since 2026. But I'm still in my prime. And I still know same things. I've been grinding. I definitely can code a lot faster now. Like big updates in like a week, which is just not at all what it was like before. But yeah, I don't know. It's fun. So see how many rarities there are. So I gotta open communicator real quick. I don't remember if this can run if it's a bad. Ooh, it can. Does that give an error if it's a bad? Wait. Wait. There's no error, but in my game, you don't want to get bads. I forgot to fix this. That's a bug. Not an error, I mean. Well, that should fix it though. Let me make sure real quick. I low-key forgot about that. I actually don't. I guess, well, it could make an error actually. I didn't see one though. I think I would have saw it. Definitely at least. Okay, what is badge check? I'm sure it works though. Okay, I need to turn off wallpaper. Yep. I have no memory left. Let's turn off my background. Am I still out of memory? What are we doing? I'm gonna reset my computer. Yeah, my memory is really bad right now. Yeah, studio just crashed. I'll be back. Are we back? I think we're back. So yeah, my computer ran out of memory. Told you I need RAM. Alright. I was gonna check something, I forgot what it was. Something bad, I forgot. I can't remember what it was. Who cares? Why something stupid? Let's make sure the stream is actually loading though. Okay, yeah, that's fine. Alright. Where's my... What was I in? I'm missing something. Yeah, that's what it is. Oh, that's what I was gonna do. Yeah, I was gonna do the check. Okay. I gotta check the error. It should say 1 in the... Yeah, okay, good. Good. Because, yeah, I don't... Oh, communicator's also closed. That's fine, though. Doesn't matter. Just gotta remove the print. Now, back to this. Before well... Now I can check my... I think it's 11. I believe there's 11. What? That's 10 then. Goes to 10. Three. Alright, see ya. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you, bro. Now the variance. That's done on that end. That's what like it would look like. In any other script, this is what it would look like. Very simple. Probably way less than this too, because this is probably the most like complicated one. It has the most things. Now I gotta make the thing actually count, and because of that, I'm gonna go to this and make a new thing. I'm actually gonna close badges, I think. Hello. And I'm gonna close this. Maybe I should number it. Bro, you asked me this last time. I'm not interested, that's all. There's plenty other streamers who will, for sure. I'm doing stuff right now, though. I can do numbered, yeah. I think that's probably the best way to do it. That's my guess. Like, when I add a new quest, I just do the starting number 1, and then make a table. And And of course I should do the same names. So, like task type. Task type. Task variant. Variant. Oh. Yeah. For this sample quest, I want to make it so you need to roll. What should I make it roll? Maybe a singularity? Let's do a singularity. That's second last, so that should be 9. It's 9. And then the last, we'll make it 1, obviously, so task amount equals 1. This is a very simple way to do it, I think, because it's so optimized, and all the text will be done in the client. I don't think I need to save any of it. I could, but I don't think it's necessary. I think it'll be smarter to just do it in the client. It's, you know, less to mess with. It makes this less bloated, I feel like. Yeah, I think that's the smartest way to do it. It's gonna be complicated still regardless, but I do like how this looks. I think it's very simple. You know. Now this is where the problem is, because I have to do the actual quest code. I gotta break this down into steps. One thing I know I have to do is the same thing for the level inventory. I had to write a separate thing that says don't delete in the level inventory, because if there's missing data, it automatically will delete it. That's something I wrote to like fix old code and whatever. But I have to disable it for quests. I think right here. Is this a for loop? It is. So let's see how this works. Remove extra fields not present in starter data. Goes through. If it's not in default data. Missing fields. Skip deep sync for flexible tables. I imagine this works if I just change this. I think this does work. I do believe so. It will skip the whole process. Okay, make a new event. I know I want to make it on the server, so I'm doing server to server. Well, I mean, it depends how I get the quest, because if it's just a remote event, even if the quest is like not available, you can just give it to yourself. That's why I want to do it on the server. Well, I guess when I have the whole event that checks if you're eligible, I'm trying to think how I would do quests. I do believe I would have them anywhere. Let me think about this. If I want to, I can always add a check in the server. I'm starting to think I should make it a remote event. I do think that's the safest way. I'll have to make it... Okay, I'm gonna add a new value then. I'll make a new value that checks if it's active. I'll call it quest available. If it's not available, then just skip it. But also another thing, I'll do checks as well. This is so I can disable quests if I want to ever, without actually deleting them. Because this will not be here forever. I won't be able to remove it without deleting all the data. I think that is the smartest way to do it, that I can think of at least for now. Because of that, it will be remote event. I'm gonna call it give quest. Let's write down a couple things I have to do for the give quest. You know, checks. I always write my checks down like my notepad. I'm gonna do first the most obvious thing. Should be 1. Then and the third thing is what? If you already own it. Should be available. Make sure it's already owned. It checks your data. And then, so yeah, checks the table, checks your data. Then it checks your data, like your stats, I guess, data stats. That's all the checks. I don't think I need anything more than that for getting the quest. I think it's perfectly fine. So give quest can be a remote event. I'm actually gonna go to data and actually do that now. So I can test this thing out. I wanna make sure this works, this whole thing. We'll see if that works. Yeah. Oh, I even added a space for this. Okay, perfect. And the give quest won't be in here, so I'll just write it in data first. Go to the bottom. Trading. Put it under trading. And then the 3 values, probably. Let me actually make sure first. Obviously, the quest is what? I think I can do quest name. That's needed for the module, and like everything else kind of. But before that, actually, obviously player, I kind of forgot. Let's see if that's enough for the row pad. Yep, because I can get the data from that. Make sure it's not owned. That can be checked by... That can be checked, yeah. Make sure requirements. Requirements, I'm not going to write yet. I don't think I need to, because there are no requirements yet. The only requirement I have to do is, like, if quest name, and then it's like, let's say like T, then you would return. I'm actually gonna write a test real quick. Test can't, I'm gonna call it test quest. Local full return equals 0. This will make it so this whole thing is canceled. So yeah, if quest name is test quest, let's just say you need let me think, like 10k score or something. Let's just do that. Is less than 10k. You would do this. Will return equals 1. This is as easy as it can be, pretty much. Just simple. If we make a new like checker or multiple, you can just do and. You can do ands. And if we make another test for a different quest, just do else if. Super easy. I'm gonna keep this here just so I know how to do it later. Because I probably will want this for like quests in the VIP lounge. I'll make sure you actually have VIP lounge access, which is very easy. All I gotta do is get the player data thing in here and check if you have access to it from there, which is perfect. It's the perfect spot. This is the best way I could have done it for sure. Because if I did the checks on the other server, I would have to request the data with the Revent, which is just like tons of bullshit. I don't want to do all that. This is built in. This is perfect. Now, last thing is actually give the quest. Actually, that's not the last thing. I still gotta make sure it's available. Let's do that first. I did the third thing. Let's do the first thing. And I should call this variables for fast. Actually, there's only gonna be one variable probably. Returning variable. Okay. And what did I call it? Quest available check. I also really quick need to get this quest module. I'm gonna grab that and put it with the other modules. I believe I have a couple others. Yeah, I do. Sticker module, quest module. I don't have server storage. That's crazy. Surprised I don't have that in here. Where is it? It's so far down. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Okay. So quest name is this, which makes it very easy. All I gotta do is if quest module and then dot, it's like see this RNG master, just replace that with this, and then you choose the value. This is, we're in the thing now, we're in this, so you check this value, so dot that. If that doesn't equal 1, then return. I also could have done equals 0. Either way works. I wanted to make sure it's a 1 specifically, so 1 means it's active. Doesn't really matter, it's just preference, but... Okay, that's the second check. That's the first check, and I did third. Let's do the second. So, not owned. To do that, I think I have to just check if it's nil. So... I'm gonna have to get the player data real quick. Boom, that easy. It's so easy. So now we do quest already owned check. If player data dot, I think I just called it quests. Why is there an error at the bottom? Oh, because the if statement I just made. Quests, and then, oh, I gotta check if it's completed as well. I almost forgot that. Good thing I looked. Completed and active. Let's see active first. That quest. Dot. Is it capitalized? I should have checked. No. Dot active. And then you get the name. I think it's just this. I believe so. Because if it's a nil, I don't think these will work. Either one it doesn't matter. Now I can do some prints real quick just to make sure. I'm doing warnings instead. I'll probably keep these warnings as well. I think they'll be useful. And I can also check if someone's hacking doing this. So it's always good to have. Warn that I will say that's not a, oh my gosh, it's not available. That's a simple warning. Then we'll do one for this. Yeah. Try to get the quest. And then those are the 3 checks. I'll be right back. Cheers so loud. Yeah. I kind of forgot to put my AFK thing on. So I was eating. A little progress so far, bro. I want to check if this works first. You know what? Let's make the entire giving system for the quest first. Might as well try it and see if it all works in one go. I'll be so surprised. That would be kind of peak though. This works first attempt. Let's see. We have to give the quest though. Interesting. Okay. See, I don't know how to do this. Let me think. I'm back, bro. I'm back. I'm back. I was trying to get water, bro. I went AFK again for like 1 second and then people joined. I'm gonna need another drink though soon. It's fine. Yeah. My bad. I do think I know how to do this though. I actually don't know, but we'll see. Quest name. I swear there's like an insert thing for. Quest idea. 50 unrated levels? Oh, that's really easy. Almost every level's unrated in this, pretty much. It's what, only like 40,000 rated levels in the game? W idea, though. Yeah, text. Who's... Yo, W Quest, bro. W Quest. Wait, actually, you just reminded me. I gotta give the memberships away. Let's see what happens. What happens? What happens? Who gets it? Who gets it? El Credo got it. How do you always get it? I actually don't understand. Dude, you've got it every single time. Oh my god. Jacksonville got it too, that's funny. I don't think you've not gotten it every single time. You always get the membership when I do it for free. It's been like 6 months and you literally bought it once. That's actually so funny. Okay. You're actually hacking, dude. Stop hacking. You're actually hacking. No way, Jacksonville. You got it again. Like, I think you also got it twice in a row, bro. I wonder if it actually is people who watch more, but H player never gets it. I just gave memberships away for free. I can do it again soon, on the 1st of February. We'll see what happens. Okay, I was trying to give the quest now. Alright. So, player data. Dot quests. I gave memberships, dude. I can't believe you got it. What is the word? Active. So it becomes active. I think current's a better word, but it's kind of late to do that now. And then active, and then dot, and then the quest. Yes. Oh wait. W Beanie? Are you a fanboy still? Actually, I think it's this. I think it's quest name. And then you assign it to be the module. I believe that is actually what you're supposed to do. And then let me just print data. You're a fanboy, let's go. You should like date JR. Beat an easy demon. How are you supposed to beat a demon? Oh, you're talking about actual GD? That's what it looks like. But dude, if actual GD had quests like that, it'd be so much more fun to do quests instead of get like 30 user coins. If it was like actually a whole quest system, that'd be cool. That's kind of what I'm doing. I'm doing a whole quest thing right now. Let's do print user data and see if this works. So now I just gotta activate this. Oh, it's not a mod. It's a game. Oh, my UI is gone. Let me turn it back on. No, it's a game on Roblox. GDRNG. Okay. Let me hide the UI real quick. I don't like it should not be open. I mean, it's a GD inspired game on Roblox that I made. Let's just... Oh, I forgot to add the thing actually gives the quest. Let me do that real quick. let's do game.players.local player. I mean, if you understand the game, it's easier to do that, yeah. Quest suggestions. And we can do... This is the test thing, so I can test this out. It probably would not... No. Actually, it might be in here, but it's probably gonna have a new dialogue system as well. So, it doesn't matter. Who cares? What does matter is I need this. Give quest. Why should I put it with the test UI? Go back down here. Oh, I lost it. There it is. First thing I'm going to test is just giving the quest. Yeah, I mean, I'll take suggestions. I'm taking them into Discord, but if someone actually has a good idea, like, on stream, I'll do it. Like, out of the way good. Okay. So, when you join, we'll do past that wait, like, 4 seconds. And then I want to fire the give quest to the server. And... I'm realizing I don't even need player. Alright, that's fine, bro. I think the only thing I'm asking for here is, yeah, just the quest name. And the quest name, we're gonna do... Let's just do this. Let's do a fake quest name. We're gonna call it fake quest. That's not a real thing, so let's see what happens. If it results in an error, I'm gonna edit the code. Which it probably will. It does. I gotta check if it even exists. This is test number 1. Bruh, that's impossible. How would you get that in the game? What? Attempt to concatenate instances. Oh, I have to edit all of them. I kinda forgot. SUPlayer.name. Oops. That's all 4. Okay, now let's try it. Should give me a warning. Yep. Try to download, try to get the quest, fake quests, but it failed, and then it says the warning type doesn't exist. Perfect. Let's now do a quest that does exist. GRG Master. Yeah, get a buzz. Get the femboy buzz. I don't know. I don't really have mods right now. I'll probably do application at some point though. Day. Femboy Day. Look up Femboy Day. It should come up. Okay, let's see. Hopefully it actually gives me. It did work. It does work. Okay, let's see if it actually set it up correctly. And it should be under active. Oh my god. Yo, it works. And has all the tasks. Dude, that's perfect. Hog Rider haircut. Let's now see if it saves it, because this is not in your data. But I'm hoping that it saves because of the thing I wrote. Make sure I disable this so obviously I don't get it again. I'll test that afterwards, like right after I make sure this works. When you join, I gotta make sure your data prints. So let me find that thing. It's like down here. There it is. Dude, level editor is too hard. That's impossible. Okay, quests. It's not under active. What I might need to do is like, let me get the quest again real quick. RIP. Yeah, I play GD. I'm a creator on GD. Damn, bro. Okay. We now have to fix it so it doesn't delete the data automatically. Which, let's try doing, Wheel of Names. Rhode Island 98. How'd that happen, bro? Also, where's all my stuff at? Like, where's my... Oh, because I was doing Hightail. I didn't want to show too much stuff on screen. I'm missing the tag and the donation list. That's the wrong tag. That's the right tag. That's the donation list. Forgot it's like half... That's important. That's like big streaming stuff. Ask. Uh-oh. You're gonna do a buzz April 26th. It's not Femboy Day, I don't think, though. Okay, let's see. Let's see if this works. If it works, I should get a warning saying you can't get duplicate levels. I don't think it works. Yeah, I am missing the quest. Did not mean to open that. Holy. Okay, but now in quest I have an active one. Right? Let's leave and rejoin. I don't know if it's just not saving because my studio is terrible or what. Is there a way to save my data, like, with the button? Um, um, I like this song. Uh, 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 um. I don't know why it doesn't work. I think it does work. I forgot. Yeah. I think the reason why it's not working is because it's not saving the game in Studio. Because Studio just loves to fucking do that for some reason. It just doesn't save your data sometimes because you leave too fast or something. Maybe if I do this, like I press the leave button instead, not terminate it. Okay. I have it saved. Instead of leaving, we're gonna do this way. I don't know if that works. I don't think so though. No. Well, I guess I'll make a new thing. We'll see. Do I have a save thing? Oh. When did I use this? I have a thing called force save. When did I use this? I don't remember. The trading hub. Oh, that's because when you go to the trading hub, it forcibly saves. Hey, let's do that. Let's do that. Let's go to the trading hub because it force saves it. That's kind of genius. And it won't teleport me, so it's fine. This is low-key genius. I keep pressing that. I'm not used to the new UI. It's gonna leave me an error. That's a new error. Not allowed. Normally it just says like studio access not enabled because you can't teleport. That means it's saved. That is a guarantee save. We'll see if it actually loads it now. I hope I get a warning. That's my hope. Yeah, so dude, it does work. It's just Roblox Studio being stupid. It doesn't want to save because it's making it leave too fast. I don't like that. I don't like that it does that. Anyways, it says, try to get the quest, but it's already owned or completed. That is... Okay, that's good. That's the second test. There's actually 4. So now it's the third test, I guess. Let's do the technical second test by changing this value to 0. The quest available in GDNG Master. Because it gets checked before, so it will say this. Yeah, quest not available. Now, the last test. It's harder to test because this comes up. I'm going to disable this temporarily so I can test it. So what we're going to do is that. We'll say you need like 10 trillion score. Yep. Oh, it's called RNG Master. Let's see. I'm hoping it will, you know. Yeah, see, it's perfect, dude. Oh my gosh. And let's make the requirement a lot less now. Real quick. Make it like, oh, 500 score. Make it 1 score, 5 score. And with that, it should print again, because it does like yeah. Good. Right. So I know how to force save now. It would be nice to have a button that does that. Let me actually do that real quick. And because it's a server to server thing, it's not abusable. I love that. Let's get up my dev UI. Make a new one. We'll call it force save. There we go. Then change the text. Cat's trying to climb my chair, bro. I don't want her to. Why are you up here? It's hard to think when she's up here, bro. Sit down. Let's get the function real quick. Fuck, bro. I actually do have to make a check for this. I'm realizing this is on the client. Hold on. My cat needs to get down, bro. The cat is so huge. I gotta move her, bro. She's so heavy. So think this works now. I believe so, at least. Gotta hide this though. Why is the quest saved? I have the quest. Oh, it's still disabled. Let me fix that. I forgot my check is still saved. I gotta disable it, I mean. All checks available. I'm gonna remove the check of when you join. Real quick. Not remove it, disable. Alright. The only print I have now is the, like, when you get the quest print. And the errors as well, yeah. Okay. Let's force save. Print's true. That means it saves, and then you can just leave. I need this because for some reason Studio is so buggy. My keep not safe for some reason. I don't get it. I hate this error so much. It's in every game I edit because a plugin does it. Like, I think the mod is this one, and I love this mod, so I don't really want to turn it off, but it is the most annoying thing ever. I hate it. Why does it do that? I just want to be able to add the data, done. Okay. I'll probably keep this print actually. Good to know when you're saving. And now that I have a quest, I can do stuff with the quest now. Actually, I forgot that the progress is not. I'm not done yet, no. I have to compare my data to the quest module. So, I mean, I can keep this stuff, it doesn't really matter. A lot of math. Not only math, a lot of thinking. I think the smartest thing is still copy this entire table, and then I can just set this to 0. And it compares my data of each task, this, and then this number compared to this table. It's probably not the most optimized. Well, you kind of need to have this to compare them, so you do need this. The only thing you probably don't need is like these things. You don't need this color, but it would take even more work to remove it, I think. It just makes sense to not, honestly. I think it's just smarter to not. And you know, I might actually get the color from this, like the data, instead of the actual module. And if that's the case, I need it from here then. So this is fine. What I have to do though is when you join, this does need to be set to 0. Okay, so if I want to force get a quest, well, how can I do that? Let's see. I want to check all of the checks. We don't care about them. Save on them for now. So basically, it doesn't care about anything. It just straight up goes to the giving. So I want to overwrite my quest to change how the data looks. So instead of just giving it, you also need to edit the data. I kind of want to make it so you're, I don't know. I gotta ask the question. I actually don't know how this works. Made this before. I need to copy it. It's a deep table copy. I need this. I need this. I need this. Where are my functions at? Put it right, like up here. I just need this. I don't need the model script. And that's how I make the copy. I have deep copy now. Because I actually make a copy of the data before editing it. I think it's the same thing, right? Yeah. I'm gonna call it deep quest copy. Now where's my thing? Now before actually setting eyelash, before setting the value with full stats, I have to make a for loop. And it's gonna be quest to give. So I got the one quest and the value of it. All I gotta do is value dot task. Let's see. Let's see if it messes it up. So the first value should be my data. It should be 0 under the progress. Zero. That's correct. Then on the actual module, it should not be changed. It's not. Too smart, too smart. Okay. I think the video is almost over. This is very copyrighted, I think. Where did the... Oh, there it is. This is gotta be copyrighted, but I need to listen to it. I don't think it matters. That was the hardest part, probably. Well, no. I think the hardest part is going to be displaying the quest. Because the way I set it up... No, just the way you have to do it is just hard, I think. The sizing for UI is really annoying, especially. But the way I did the quest thing is good, so... I'm hoping that I can do some simple math. Simple-ish math. And make it good. Because it is complicated. It actually is complicated. I'm just a Roblox game I'm working on. I'm trying to do the quest stuff right now, but I'm thinking deep. Okay, let me add back the checks real quick. Make sure it's all working correctly. That's good. This intro music is so loud. Just gonna roll level, make sure it's still like functioning. Okay, it is. Good. What is my settings set to? Let's see. Okay, quest thing, yep. I think I'm almost time for that in the quest UI. I mean, I have it made, but I gotta do the math. So, real quick, I'm actually gonna delete this test quest UI. I don't need it anymore. And instead, new thing. I'll change the name to be. Oh. Let's just do update quests. I could optimize this, but no, it's not really laggy, so I'll do it all at once. I don't imagine this being spammed too often. I just don't see it happening. So this can be ran from here, which it will be. It will be ran from there often, but it also will be ran from when you first get the quest. Okay, this actually might be kind of fun. It's something newish. I haven't really tested a lot with like the math. I don't do a lot of math usually, so it might be fun. Who knows? Okay. Get this. I don't think I need to parse anything. Either way, no arguments. Oh, my ears are ringing. Alright, let's get the UI. UI is very important. I'll call it quest folder. Quest folder. There's two templates. I forgot the names of them. Let's find them. Task template and what's the bigger one? Quest template. Okay. So we need templates for both. That's an error. That's a bug, I mean. Okay, that's all the templates. This is probably all the UI I need for now. Now I need to get the module script. Oh, wait. How am I supposed to get it? Well, that's... I didn't think about that. I kinda need access to this, and it's in server storage. Let's just do this. Function. I I get so confused every time. I don't remember how to do it. Yo, where's my functions at? I don't know why I forget always. I barely use them. I love events, bro. I just... Yo, do I never... Gotta have them somewhere. In fact, I do have one. I have... No? Yo. Yo. I gotta have one. That's why I don't... Data events. Yeah. Request visual data uses it. On server. Oh, yeah. I always forget that. Equals function. That's so confusing. I don't like that it looks like that. I remember now. Yeah, that's how you do it. What is this underwater song, bro? Still on the server. Like, if you know what you're doing, you can totally get the data needed. But it's not just publicly there. Which is nice. You have to dig a little bit to get it. And even... And still, wait. There actually might be a way to make it secret. I think there is. Wait. I think. Wait. Yeah. There is a way to make it secret. I have idea. Okay. So, gonna do request visual data. Grab that. Of course, you know. Now this is how you get the data. I now have it. And with this, it's like a for loop. Real quick, let's optimize it though. Local quest data. Visual data. Dot quest. A little bit, just a little help. Now, for key value pairs data dot active this should print every single quest you have currently. This way, you know. Oh, this is actually so good. This won't be nearly as hard as I thought it was. In fact, quests are actually kind of easy. I'm gonna regret saying that, but Okay, wait, how do you get quest update to run now? Oh, I forgot to actually execute it. That questing should run when you first join in data. But that's not, oh, that's not a startup though. You know what? We'll do it in here. We'll do cast.wait 4 seconds. Then quest progress. Should I do smart? I'm not even smart, this is how you actually have to do it. Players real quick. Fire to that player. And yeah, that's it. You don't need specifically anything. It will update all of them, and it's still optimized, so it will update all your quests regardless. It will check each one to make sure any are complete, and if they are, it will complete automatically. Kind of like the badges do. It'll give you more of a warning though. You'll get the notification like a song, or the I almost just spilled soda everywhere. I was really close. I did not mean to do that. Anyways. Quest progress. Let's see it. Let's see it. Let's see it. If this works, I need to add data as well. I'm not seeing no prints. I wonder why. That's not normal. Let's make a check. I guess it's somewhere to do in here. Probably this. Let's print. If it's not there, that's kind of a good thing. Makes it easier for me. It's not. Okay, that's good. So nothing's wrong with my code here. What the problem is, maybe here. Is it the wrong event? What's quest progress? Oh. That's the wrong event. Wrong, that's why. Stupid. Simple mistake. I thought the fire was weird. Fire client. Not sure. One, two, three, four. Boom. So that's the key. That's the value. Should say 0. It says 1. I didn't save when What? I gotta look what this is. Okay, never mind. I thought that was me. That's not me, that's just Studio being stupid. Alright, we're good. Anyways. I need to fix my data. Because I don't want to have my data be the wrong number. I forgot to force save. Fix this. Okay, that's saved now. So now it should say 0. And it will set that way. Zero. Okay, so there's a whole list of things that need to be done, but before I do that, make sure this gets ran every place. First time it gets ran is when you join the game, obviously, to load all your quests. The next time that could happen when you update your quest logs or whatever is when you get a quest. And that is right here. This is not needed anymore. I'm just gonna tab it out because I need it though. I need to add this quest update. So you join, and after you just get it. That's the visual progress. The only the two left is when you complete a quest, it should also refresh it, obviously. And the only other time that would happen is if you get progress in a quest. Which is probably, it's kinda in the same location. It's gonna be in here. It's gonna be, this is for the progress, and then it's gonna have a second thing after this that checks if you have any of them complete. And if you have it complete, it's the same kind of update. So I'm actually not gonna do this quite yet. I know, you keep winning, bro. "5 months as a member." Why is that coming up now? That happened like forever ago. That's huge, bro. 5 months as a member. What's your level at? El Corrido. Your membership level. I think green is kind of a further one. Is that 3 months? I don't know. Anyways, now I can go down the line of things to do. First one, quest client. And quest, it's all gonna be quest client, I mean. First thing to do, we have this and this, they're both necessary. Let them know. The first thing to check is if there's already a frame inside of there. The first thing you have to do is make the frame if it doesn't exist. If not, and then we get the frame, which is scrolling. No, I changed the name. I'm now calling it quest holder. Quest holder dot, and then it's gonna be the name. So we do key. Key is the name of it. If it's not there, then we make it local cloned copy. This is where the math is gonna be. This is the main part of it, which is really hard, right? So the cloned copy is going to be, I have to actually label as well. Cloned quest copy. Actually, cloned quest template makes sense. Let me do that. Clone. And then you have to do all the math and then put it in the thing. But yeah. I'll write this instead. I called it that because it's easier to read, but okay. So after all the math and sizing is done, it puts it straight in there. Let's do the first thing, which is the name. And the name should be key, because the key is the name of the whole quest. It makes it way easier. So much easier to do. So much easier. Now, there has to be math that checks how many tasks there are. And then the task amount, that's really complicated. Wait, it's what's the calculation for that? I'm trying to think. I don't know. Oh shoot. Hey, RNG Master is not a valid member. That's the whole point. I think I did it wrong then. Let me look it up. Oh, that's stupid. Find first child. Hey, the frame is there. That's a good sign. It is there. It is indeed there. The size of it, though, This is where the struggle comes in. So should I make this panel longer based on the quest, or this panel? It's the invisible panel. I'll just show what it looks like. Because what I can do for the math is this extends based on how many quests there are, and the task size will be different. The problem with that way is that this text will scale, and it'll be very big in some cases. But if you do it the other way, where only this box is scaled, the tasks will be very tiny. Especially if there's a lot. So I think the text scaling is probably the better method, my guess. I'll show what it looks like as well. For example, this is like a bigger quest, a very long quest. But then, yeah, see how long it is? How big it is? I don't think I like that very much. Or you actually don't resize this at all. What you do instead is the template. Look at the template real quick. So in here, it'll be like, I think 3 is the default for this. Yeah, it's meant for 3. Let's say you want to have more quests. Obviously, it's not going to work. So the way around it is kind of janky. I think you have to change the size here. Will this be better? If you want to have literally only 4 quests, it's this compressed. And that math is going to be really hard. It looks better though. Try to think of the smallest quest possible. It probably would be 1 task. I want us to be able to have 1 task. Okay, where's my... So yeah, this has to also be the task info, because it's just more optimized to do it this way, which is just wonderful. Local task amount. I'll call it total tasks. We start with 0. And then after this for loop, we'll do the math. Which is not... I'm not looking forward to it now. I'm realizing how hard it's going to be. Because I have to change not only the size value, but also another value, which is like the padding value. I don't want to be able to... I don't want to do that, but I have to. I hate that. In fact, I do hate that. Then we'll do 4. And then... one, 2, and then the amount. Yeah, 4I equals 1, 2. Damn, bro. Oh wait, I totally forgot what I was gonna do before. I need to get the quest info. That's right. For now though, I can do quests. That data. Wait, no, I don't need to do that. I'm already in. Value is clearly... Yeah. Value is this. So value.tasks. What is... Oh, I didn't mean to write that. I meant the right task. Oh. never use the same variable name with something with the Roblox default. Okay, so that gets the tasks. Let's start now by making a new task. It's easier if there's more than one, so let's make 3. We disable the update automatically because I need to give this to this, and then disable this again. Okay, there we go. Let's add a new task. 2. Roll difficulty. Let's make it infinite period. Make it 3 infinite periods. Make a third task. And make it so you need to roll. Let's do some mythics. Common, uncommon, rare, epic, legendary, mythic. That's 6. Wait, no. Fuck. I'll do it this way instead. 8 is Infinite Empyrean, 7 for Unreal, 6 is Godlike. It's 5 then. Yeah, it's 5. That makes sense. That's what I thought. $15 mythics. That seems good. That's enough for now. We can work with that. I don't think it'll make a print. Oh, it does. Oh, yeah. 1, 2, 3. Boom. That's actually perfect. It's exactly what I wanted. And we can check this quest thing. See what it says. Should all be zeros. 0, 0, 0. 0. Perfect. That's exactly what I needed, actually. That is. I don't know how that worked first try. Okay. Now let's bring back the anti-cheat thing. And bring back the auto update. Now back to normal. Okay, now I have the total task amount. Before I do that, though, I kinda... I want to add the task thing. So let's just add them first, right? Yeah, let's do that. Local loaned task template equals task template clone. And then the name, we'll make it task, no, we'll make it current task type paired with That's all I need. That name is just kind of easier to read. Oh, wait, also should add the like scroll. There we go. Okay. That's just the name. Let's just see how this looks. We can delete this. I'll use it after for the math. This should make all the templates, but none of the data will be set. Like, yeah, the error is expected, but... Oh, did I save? I don't think I saved, dude. Please tell me the game saved. I don't think it did. It's also... I didn't set the parent either. I forgot. Please tell me it saved. It saved me so much time. Oh, where is it? I have to test. We'll see. If there's only one task, I'm gonna be so sad. I'll have to change the thing again. Give it to myself. But I meant to... Oh yeah, parent. That's right. Perfect. Please tell me there's no quests. I mean, there are quests, I hope. I hope there's a 3, not just the 1. Come on, Roblox. I forgot to press 4 save. Please don't. Please spam me this time. Fuck you, bro. Now I gotta do this. I gotta go all the way to data. I gotta tab out all this. And then I gotta go over here, disable the auto update. I gotta do it again. There should be 3. Yeah. Thanks, Roblox. So, force save. Thank you very much. Great. So yeah, I gotta fill in all this data. That's template. Yeah, I didn't do that yet. Why does it say that? I should actually change that because I don't want to make any mistakes with this. That should just say like something like that. Okay, now I can bring back all the stuff again. I don't need this open. Why is it open? Okay. I wonder if anyone else will do it the same way I'm doing it, like the process of doing it. Because I haven't even gotten to the part where you get, like, progress in the quest. Because I know that part is not very complicated, and it would not help me make this faster. I think I need to see it visually to help the most as well. Because I basically already have the thing that gives the quest done. That's done, basically. The only part of it that's not done with the giving is, like, the dialogue whole system. I haven't done that yet. but the whole function for giving it does seem to be done. Right now, I'm just working on the visual aspect of the quests. And I don't think it'll be that hard. I can set some of the data now, so I mean some of like the visual things. So loaned quest template dot title. Is that what I called it? Quest title dot text equals. I can grab it from my data. The only thing I don't want to grab from my data for this is the amount I need, because I don't want to overuse this. So all I gotta do is value dot, then it's display name. Then I set the color. Text color 3. From color RGB. Now we set the color to be value dot. I don't know if this will work. We'll see. Display color. Why is there? We'll just see if it works. We'll just see. I'm just curious.
My bad, my mouse died.
Does that happen?
It happens so often.
Isn't that wired?
No.
I need a wireless mouse. They're so much better.
I'm just opening my new one right now. I wanted to wait, but I don't want to get batteries.
Yeah.
Actually, I don't know if I can use this right now. Actually, I don't think I can use it.
Bro.
As a USB hub. It's either my keyboard or my mic that has to go, and I'm not. I'm playing this.
Need the PC. And the desk too. So much stuff you gotta get all at once.
Yeah. I mean, I already have the PC.
I mean, you'll get it soon.
Yeah. I guess I'll go get new batteries then.
Okay.
Hold on.
I'll type it in chat. Easier to type.
I got bad reads.
W.
Oh yeah, I'm so close to getting gummy boots. I need 14 red extract. I have all the blue extract. I need 22 glitter and 7 glues.
That's close.
That's crazy. I got 130 glues in like 3 days.
Yeah, how?
I was just locked in. Oh, I got a swirled wax from my red clay planner.
Huh.
Oops, I accidentally just ate the entire sunflower.
There's a
field.
Y. Make sure you add the Y, or just copy it.
Trying to find where my planners are. Like my macro actually hides them. Ooh, I got a glitter from a planner.
Forgot a glitter.
Glitter. Oh, I got a glue from my werewolf.
That's huge.
No, 5 glues for my werewolf.
Wait, what? That actually is big. It gives that many?
Wait. I thought it was 1 glue, but it was 5 glues.
Or what?
Ooh, so that's almost all the glues that I have to worry about.
That's insane.
Let me see how many moon charms I got. 16. Fuck. I could probably just do Riley quest for the like 20.
The
extra
red? I
diamond.
mean, yeah, probably. Or just do like maybe 2 rounds of retro.
Yeah. You get glitter from retro.
I haven't gotten it, I don't think.
Do you know how to get glitter? Like
I don't really get it very
Without-
often.
wasting materials.
It kind of just like happens, I guess, sort of.
Well, I guess that means I have to plant sprouts 1,000,000 times.
Oh yeah, moon sprouts. Those can give it, I think, right?
Yeah, just kind of. Oh, I could buy the purple turple mega bundle.
Okay.
I bought it. Turpentine, 10 festive planners, 10 caustic wax, 10 soil wax, and 100 purple potions.
You owe me Robux? Do you? I don't remember. Why would you owe me Robux?
Let me donate my like 8 clown vials that I got. No win,
You
DP.
see, oh wait, was it that one game? Oh yeah, I don't need the fucking Robux. 1,000's literally nothing to me. That's light work. Oh yeah. Don't worry about it, bro. I don't really care. I got hella money now.
You're rich now.
True. You just see this is the method. I'm in the 100Ks now. Let me make sure this is working. Yeah, that's what happens when you take advantage of UGC. I forgot to add the thing I was supposed to add. Oops.
Like purposefully not getting what is it, precision for like the red boost.
Yeah. You gotta know
Sounds
exactly
like-
what to upload for UGC. Like, only sometimes it'll flop. Yeah. I get more from UGC than my game. My game still has some. I'm gonna buy some ads. Probably drop like 25,000, I think. Half of it on UGC, like free UGC and stuff. Should boost it some. Is it? Why is background? W? I mean, if you can figure it out, yeah. Why the background not change? That's not supposed to happen. Special quest.
Please don't be a bad quest. Oh, 10 ladybugs.
Yeah.
I hate why they be.
I still have to do like... I hate snowflakes, bro.
Yeah, it's a pain to get them. My god, there's so much going on in this field. What? How did I
Nah.
have 2 billion goo from white flowers to my quest last night?
2 billion only? But that's like, not
I
bad.
was macaroning strawberry field.
Nah, I don't really do commissions on games now. It doesn't make
And
as
I don't have
much.
gummy boots.
Oh, this is ugly as shit. I'm not doing that.
You can only get 4 ladybugs in a cycle, right?
I think 5.
Uh.
No. I'm thinking of rhino beetles. That's 5.
That sucks. I have to do 3 cycles now, I think.
I'm not doing that. I don't know. I actually don't know the exact number.
I think it's 4.
I usually keep it private anyways, the exact amounts.
I have to do so many cycles. I hate this game.
See, I'm not using that
Sort
color.
of bucko quests were not even this bad when it was like 250.
What are your buckos?
My buckos are so easy. It's like blue ability tokens.
How many?
Not-
Like 1,000?
Like 3,000 or 4,000.
That's not bad. That's, dude. Even my red is like so much. Red is so impossible, bro.
This is like the only chance I have to at least get somewhere.
If
with
you
this
want,
quest
if you want the
without-
reds faster too, when you're blue hive, just use the candle thing because you get some red bees.
Yeah, just kind
It's
of-
still really slow, especially when you get the 150 or the 250 for the wand. That's a pain. In fact, it's probably like almost impossible without some red hive. Because don't you need like probably almost 1 trillion or something insane? Actually, no.
for what?
How bad are the blue quests? How bad did they get, like pollen wise?
Mine were like free, like billions. So.
Yeah, that's fine. I feel like if it's still red, it's annoying, but like, I think you could do it still.
I mean, yeah, billions in a red field though is gonna be hard.
I don't I don't
Unless
think it
they
scales
don't
so
do
much
that.
because I swear right now it's like 700k, not 700k, 700 million in like mushroom. I feel like it doesn't really scale that much. And I only have like 70 quests for Miley, by the way.
I
Nah,
need
I make all
like
the UGC, all the
3
emotes,
or
all
4.
that stuff. I don't pay nobody.
Gummy sprout. Ooh. I got a glue from it.
Yeah. You need glitter, bro.
I do need glitter. I got a glitter right before it despawned.
Yeah, that's huge.
I have all the glues I need.
Let's do this.
I planted a legendary sprout. Do you wanna join?
Oh, legendary? Hold on, yeah.
Oh wait, don't know. Vector B, stop it. Okay. It's like halfway.
Okay, yeah.
Let me go talk to Polar Bear while you join real quick.
Probably gonna get on it soon, too. Real quick, I gotta get that sprout.
I got all the glue I need because I can craft one. I got enough gumdrops to craft 1 glue, and I picked up 1.
Should you though? Because I mean, buddy, you need some to spend.
Oh, good idea.
You'd probably need like 1,000, I would say, for all the boosts you need.
Can
You'll
I get
get
that
some.
in like a night?
Okay,
I don't know if
maybe you're fine.
God, there's so much baby love.
Okay, I'm joining now.
I have 3 days left to claim my free trial on Nitro. I don't fucking care.
Alright. Where is it?
Spider.
Yeah, it's not there for me. The front bees, I guess. I don't have like 0 haste. Better Strack, I need TS.
I need TS.
We both need it, bro. I have 30, I need like 1,000.
Oil.
Why do I need it though? I forgot why.
Magic beam.
Where are the eggs at, bro?
Yeah, where's the egg?
Don't they usually spawn like a diamond egg?
Sometimes.
I thought
I
they
don't think I
did.
got it.
Check my
I
sprouts real
didn't get
quick.
it.
No?
No.
Oh.
Let me see. It's 10 festive planners is so many.
There's a lot.
I shouldn't. I guess I can spend my snowflakes now on like whatever I want.
Where are my planters at, bro? I was losing. I see one in Rose. Where's my other one at? Bro, I lost it. Where is it? Oh my god. Oh, I think it's in. Oh, it's in Clover.
There's one in Rose.
That's mine.
Oh.
Okay. That's all good now. I'm gonna get back on this.